Hello family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm back with an honest review after using onion juice and onion oil for 1 month. As you can see in the video, my hair has really grown, you guys. In this video I attached a previous video of me making the onion juice and onion oil. I also attached other 3 videos of me applying the juice and oil on my hair. If you want to see how I did it, you guys, just keep watching. Many of us are afraid of the onion juice and onion oil because of the smell. With me, I added some olive oil on it to reduce the strength of the smell of the onions. I was afraid too to have onions on my hair, but after seeing other YouTubers do the onion juice and onion oil challenge, I then thought it was time for me to try it too. While making the onion juice and onion oil, I did not strain them, and as you can see, I have onions all over my hair. While making your onion juice and onion oil, make sure you do that step. After washing the onion juice off, I then braided my natural hair as shown in the video. I then applied the onion oil as shown in the video. This was week 1 of having onion juice and onion oil. Welcome to week 2. I'm just going to apply my onion juice. I'll then apply my onion oil as shown in the video, and then I'm going to apply some olive oil on my hair to reduce the smell of the onion. Welcome to week 3. I'm going to recontrol my hair. I'll also apply the onion juice and onion oil as shown in the video. In the 3rd week, you can just see how the cornrows are longer than the 2nd week. After turning, you can just see the 2nd week, the length in the 2nd week and the 3rd week. After cornrowing all of my natural hair, you can just see how my hair has really grown. I'm now just applying the onion oil on my cornrows. I'm then going to use this olive oil spray to reduce the smell of the onions. Finally, welcome to week 4. and you can just see how my cornrows are really shaggy, you guys. It's 11th of December on my phone. I'm just going to remove my cornrows. I'm now going to comb my hair. As you can see, you guys, my hair has really grown. If you compare it with the first photo that I shown you on my before in the beginning of the video, and this is after I washed my hair and then I straightened it. You can just see what onion oil and onion juice did to my hair. I hope this video has helped you guys to decide if you can use onion juice and onion oil for hair growth. See you in my next video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you like this, if you love this video and you enjoyed it, you can just give it a like and share it. And thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.